This early 19th century book is a good example of a book that's in poor physical condition but has great contents. Both of the covers are detached, so I'll just lay them down like so. And if we open to the title page, what we'll see is it's an 1825 Travels of Anacharsis in Greece, and here is a frontis of the author. And this is the plate volume here with a wide variety, a profusion of, once we get past the text section, like this, we get to the map section, and I'm going to now unfold and try to show most of it to give you an idea. The first map here has this old tear that was repaired long ago but wasn't done entirely properly, and so it still needs some attention today. It's the sort of fold line tear you see on large folding maps in books like this, where people were careless at some point and unfolded it roughly, and that's what you get. But once we get past that map, we get into maps like this, which are overall clean and well preserved, beautifully engraved, very detailed, and there's this very nice selection of them. A lot of them show troop and battle formations and positions with little annotations, heroic monument, and so on, borderline pictorial in nature. Here we have the Black Sea, like so, and then we have the Bosphorus, like this, coming through here. Yes, very nice. Okay, and then there's this, like so. And there's this one of the environs of Athens. It's a nice one, yeah. The Lyceum is there, the Academy is there. Okay, and here's Attica and Megaris and the island of Euboea. Okay, that's got original outline hand color. Here is just a plan, a close-up plan of the Academy. And here is a floor plan. Palestra after Vitruvius. Okay, here's a plan of Athens, like so, showing various features, temples, architecture, and so on. There's garden plans there. There's a plan of this temple, Propylaea. Yes, it's a facade. And here's another plan and frontal elevation of the facade of the Temple of Thusis. And here is a view of the temple. People approaching it, no doubt for a ceremony. And here's the Parthenon, the anterior facade with a cross section. And here is a straight-on view of the Parthenon, sitting atop, as it does, overlooking Athens. And here's two pediments, probably in the British Museum. And here's a map of this little section here, right? And here we are, environs of Delphi. Here is a view of Delphi, yeah, and two rocks of Parnassus. And here is plan of a Grecian house with a detailed quay below it. And then we've got this one right here. Yeah. Thessaly right there. And coast of the, like the Aegean Sea and all. Yeah. All close-ups of regions of Greece and the Aegean. Yeah, and various bodies of water. Topography of Olympia, Messenia, right there, Laconia, right here, again, original outline hand color. There's, yes, topography of Sparta and its environs, Arcadia, there, Argolis. There we are. Plato on the promontory of Sunium discoursing to his disciples. And here we have an ancient Greek temple. And this here, the coast of Asia Minor, up to Rhodes, Cyclades, Delos, and this final one of Greek coins. And that is the contents of this book, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.